1 में आने के बाद we saw massive growth. We grew 30x. And since then, India and India के बाहर US, Dubai, Australia and so many other countries हम इस तरह के products ship कर रहे हैं. And thank you for all the love that we've got from India and from the rest of the world as well. I'm so glad, it's so nostalgic to see from season 1 to season 5. And we've seen so many successful, some such inspiring stories as Shark Tank India. I still feel like a student, and Shark Tank has been a great teacher for me. So I think all of you should also come and watch Shark Tank season 5 for the reasons it inspires us and also teaches us with every episode, with every entrepreneur.